Hello, I'm Nubia de Moraes and I live in Gold Coast, Australia. The reason I chose this course, it's because it's online, so I can do it in my own time, in my own space, so I can organize my work schedule and continually studying and learning about yoga. That's the reason I choose this specific course. My yoga practice started in 2004 with deep studies of yoga and practicing regular yoga. The Heart of Yoga, it's my favorite book. It's simple and it's easy to understand the whole process of yoga. And my favorite reading, it's the Upanishads. I always go back and read again and again and again. I find very interesting the teachings into the Upanishads.